Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today I have a haul to share with you guys. It is my Sephora haul. As you guys know, Sephora does have their spring sale going on right now. I am a Rouge member, so I get 20% off, so I was able to get some good deals. And also, if you don't know, the Sephora collection stuff is also 30% off. So I don't know if I got anything in here, but I know I ended up ordering a couple more things. So I'll probably have like a part 2 to this. It's not a whole lot, but it's just a couple more things that I wanted from the Sephora collection because I didn't realize that all the things that were on sale in the Sephora collection. So anyway, let's jump into this haul. Some of these things I've already tried out, so I can kind of tell you guys my thoughts on them. But most of it I haven't tried yet because honestly I just got it in the mail just the other day, so I haven't tried it all out yet. So let's kind of jump in here. The first thing I picked up are these JVN products. I picked up the Nourishing Shampoo and the Nourishing Conditioner. So I wanted to open it up to smell it. That's all I really did with it because I've tried the oil and the oil is fantastic. But the shampoo and conditioner I haven't tried. I don't know if I love the smell of it. It smells a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. It's not the greatest smell. It smells very herbal. If you like a more herbal scent, you might like this. I don't know. I mean, it's supposed to be super hydrating, which is what my hair definitely needs. It needs some hydration because I've done mess with it enough that I need something to help it out. So I'm excited to try it out, but at the same time, it doesn't smell so good. So also from the JVN collection is this right here. I picked up the JVN Complete. This is the Instant Recovery Serum. So this is basically like a mask that you put in your hair, I'm pretty sure. Distribute through wet hair to protect product against heat. Okay, so you leave it in, so it's leave-in product. So it comes in a glass jar like this right here, and this smells good. This smells really good actually. So I'm excited to try that. Kind of the way that smells, it kind of reminds me of what is the brand? Living Proof. So it kind of reminds me of Living Proof a little bit. So that's what it smells like. Then I also picked this up. This is the Kerastase. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. This is the Chroma Absolute. I saw where Nicole Guerrero had recommended using a lot of the Kerastase brands, and she's got gorgeous hair. So I'm like, look, if she's got gorgeous hair, I want to try what she does. So this is just it's an acid treatment. Wait, no, that's not right. This is, yeah, it's a lactic acid treatment for your hair. So it's like lactic acid for your hair. I'm not exactly sure what it does for your hair. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm going to be trying it soon. I might end up picking up the other couple things that she had recommended from this brand because she had recommended a couple things from the brand itself. So I might pick them up. I don't know. Then I picked up a perfume. You guys know I can't go without getting a perfume during any kind of sale. So I picked up the YSL Black Opium. So this is the YSL Black Opium Illicit Green. So it's the green one. It smells fantastic. It smells very similar to the original, but it's just got something a little bit sweeter to it. So if you like a more sweeter scent, you might like this one a little bit better. I don't know. I like all of them, honestly. I think they all smell fantastic. Then I also picked up this right here. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r Face Eye Bronzer Highlight Palette. So it comes in this little cardboard outer packaging. And then right here is the actual palette. As you can tell, I've already been playing with this. So here's what the inside looks like. So you get a highlighter over here. You get, both of these are highlighters, and then you get your face or eye colors. You can use this for your face or for your eyes. I will tell you, it is a very orange toned bronzer, so I personally don't love it as a bronzer. I do love it for making eye looks because I like a very simplistic eye look lately, so this is perfect for me. So I've been using it for the eye looks, but not really for the bronzer. The bronzer, I feel like it's way too orange. I kind of look like an Oompa Loompa when I use it that way, so it just doesn't work with my skin tone. The next thing I picked up is a new product from Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray with Vitamin C and Cactus Flower Water. All-day wear hydrating. Again, I'm always looking for things that are hydrating for my hair as well as for my face. So it comes in the yellow packaging. It has more of like a citrusy scent to it. It smells fantastic. I love the way it smells. I love Urban Decay. Urban Decay is one of my favorite like makeup setting sprays besides the Benefit Professional one that, who recommended that one that I got at the time? I can't remember. Somebody recommended it and then I was like, yep, I'm getting that. But anyway, I really love this. So it smells really good. I'm excited, and I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good for helping to diminish like dark spots and correcting like skin imperfections. So I have tons of those that I need to correct. I don't think there's any SPF or anything in here. No, I wish it was, because then I would just use this in the daytime. That would be great. Then I picked this up. This is the Sol de Janeiro Rio Dio. So I love the way this smells. I don't really think it does that great of a job at helping me to not sweat, but it smells fantastic. So I'm okay with putting up with the fact that it doesn't help me that much for sweating, just to smell this fantastic, because I love anything that smells like the caramel salted kisses type of smell. Caramel pistachio, I think is what it is. It smells fantastic. Then I ended up picking up the Gisou, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. This is the honey infused hair perfume. I don't know about you guys, but since I don't wash my hair very often, and I have been trying to work out more, I've been like on the treadmill and doing weights and things like that. And since I'm not actually washing my hair, I feel like my hair can tend to smell kind of stinky. So I wanted something to make it smell good. I did not know what this smelled like. I was a little bit worried because I do not love the smell of honey, but don't worry. It does not smell like honey. It just smells fantastic. It's like a floral, like a honeysuckle. So I would say it's more like honeysuckle than it is like honey. So if you don't like the smell of honey, don't worry. It doesn't smell like honey. I think it smells more like honeysuckle. So I got it just to make my hair smell clean, even when it's not clean. I don't like to use a whole lot of dry shampoos because it makes my scalp really irritated. So this was perfect, so it can make my hair smell good. Besides that, my hair doesn't really get oily. It just gets stinky. So anyway, the next thing I picked up is the Sephora S Clean. This is the Velvet Cream Blush Palette. I haven't tried this out yet, so I don't know if it's any good or not. But these were, of course, like I said, the Sephora collection is 30% off. So I was like, you know what? Let's try these out. They looked really pretty. This one is S Clean. I don't know, Candied. This one is in the shade Candied. So here's all of your cream blushes. I think cream blushes are honestly better for like winter time, but I mean, I'll use it in the summer too. That's okay. So I'm excited to try that out and see if it's any good. Then I also picked up this palette from Tarte. This is a new palette from Tarte. This is the Tartelette Blush in Bloom. So here's what the palette itself looks like. I have been using this as well. This has got some of my favorite tones in here. I love peachy tones for blush. I just think they look the best on my skin. So I really think this is an absolutely beautiful palette. So I do highly recommend this one. If you love Tarte blushes, this one I think is a winner. So that one is very, very good. Then I picked up the IT Cosmetics. Where's the package? It came like really bunched up. I don't know what happened here. This is the CC Nude Glow. This is the color correcting medium coverage skin tint. So it's not the other ones that IT Cosmetics comes out with. This one is barely anything onto your skin whatsoever. So if you don't have a whole lot of imperfections, you just want something like a BB cream. That's basically what this is. So this is great for summertime when you don't want something really heavy on your skin though. It does have SPF 40 in here, which is great. It's a brightening glow serum, so it's supposed to have skincare benefits in it as well. I like it. I don't love it. So the next thing I picked up is right here. This is from La Mer. So this was very expensive, but I love La Mer. My husband got me some La Mer, the moisture cream or whatever it's called. I have been using that to help my skin, and I feel like it's super, super hydrating. It's a very, very thick cream. You have to like kind of massage it out into your hand before you massage it onto your face, but it works fantastic. This is the lip polish. So it comes with this little cute spatula here. I'll show you this really cute spatula. And then the actual container looks like this. And then you open it up and there's what it looks like. So as you can tell, I've only used it twice so far, but it is very, very nice. It does have a little bit of a grit to it, so it's going to polish your lips, but then it leaves behind like a balm. So the balm itself is very, very hydrating. It makes my lips feel fantastic. I don't know that it's worth the price though. I'm not gonna say you should go get this because honestly this is very expensive for what it is. I feel like you can get things that are very similar for a much better price than getting this. So my advice would be probably skip that, get something different. The next thing I picked up is something that was in the sale section. This is the Makeup Forever Instant Brush Cleaner. So I'm always looking for things to clean my brushes very quickly. I hate cleaning brushes. I don't know about you guys, but like that's one of the worst things to clean besides your beauty blenders. I don't even know how to use this. What do you do with it? Oh, it's just like a squeezy thing. I don't know. I'll have to try that out. I haven't tried it yet. I typically use the Cinema Secrets. That one, I use that one quite a bit. But this is something different and it was in the sale section, so I got an extra 20% off of the price that it was plus the sale price. Does that make sense? Then I picked up this right here. This is the Sephora Favorites Perfume Sampler. So it's got seven different perfumes in here. You've got the Nest Hibiscus Kiss, Sunkissed Hibiscus. I can't even speak today. We've got the Replica Beach Walk, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, Valentino, Juliette Has a Gun, Ellis Brooklyn Salt, and Floral Street Arizona Bloom. So you get all of these in here and it's $25. And then what you do is you get like a little paper in here, a little card, and you can redeem it for a travel size perfume. So it comes with a bunch of like the smaller sizes like this right here. So you have a ton of like the deluxe, not deluxe, but just a sample so you can try it out. And then you can choose whatever one you want to get. I'm probably personally gonna get the Replica Beach Walk just because I love the way that smells. That's one I wanna keep in my purse for the summer. So I already have that perfume, but I don't know if I really like the others. So then I ended up picking up, you guys saw in my last Sephora haul, I ordered this, or I picked this up, I ordered it, I'm pretty sure. I picked up another one. So I have two of these because these are fantastic. And with us planning a beach trip this summer, this is all I'm going to take with me for my whole family to use, is to use one of these bags of like sun care products so they can use that for their face and everything. And I like to have all kinds of sunscreen all the time. So I am always good for grabbing more sunscreen. The next thing I picked up was also in the sale section. This is the Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Jadey Wady. It's an ultra hydrating complexion primer. I haven't tried this out, so hopefully it's good. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this or if you've tried it before. Let me know what you think of it because I haven't tried it. So let's see what it feels like. I don't know. Let's see. Pop this little thing here off. I think it's going to be basically like a lotion, honestly. Oh no. Oh, it smells really good. It's got a really nice like citrusy scent to it. Fruity. And then it's almost got like a glow to it. It's got like, not only is it like a lotion and it has a little bit of a slip to it, but it has like almost like mica maybe in there. I don't know. It's giving off like a little bit of a glow. I don't know if you can really tell it on the camera, but in person you can see that it has like a little bit of a glow and it sinks in very nicely. So that might be amazing. Then I ended up picking up some concealers because I am on the hunt for my new concealer because as you guys know, my holy grail concealer is the Urban Decay Naked Skin and they don't make that anymore. So I'm kind of hunting around trying to find my favorite concealer, which I think I found it, but I don't know. So I picked up the Dior. This is the Dior Flash Perfector Concealer. So here's what the packaging looks like. Here's what the concealer itself looks like. It comes in this really interesting like tube. This one's really nice. I think this one works really well under my eyes. Then I also picked up the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. I don't love this one under my eyes whatsoever. This one works really well on like acne spots and things like that though. So I don't want to have to buy two concealers though. I want one concealer that can do both things. That's what my Urban Decay did. My Urban Decay could do under my eyes, but it could also cover my acne and it did great in both areas. So those two, I can already tell you they're not going to be it. So unfortunately, they're not the ones I'm going to be purchasing. Then I ended up picking up, oh, this is the last thing. Last thing is this right here. This is the Sephora S Clean and this one is, let's see. The other one was, what did I tell you the other one was called? This one was called Candied, and this one is called, let's see, Spiced. So here's the spiced one, and here's what the blushes look like. These are all, like I said, cream blushes. So, and again, personally, I think cream blushes work really, really well for the winter time, but you can use them anytime you want to. You don't have to use them for the winter. You can also layer them up if you want to put a if you want to put a cream blush on and then put a powder blush over top, then your blush will stay for a longer period of time. So you can do that as well. But that is everything in here. So everything I purchased from the Sephora spring sale. So I didn't get a whole lot, honestly, but it was a lot of money. Let's just not kid ourselves. This adds up very, very quickly. Anytime you shop at Sephora, though, it adds up very, very quickly. So I do have like I said, a couple more things coming in from Sephora. So I will do a second part to this. It's not anything major. So if this gives you any ideas of things maybe you're looking into getting before the sale ends, the sale does end on Monday. So if you're thinking about getting anything, remember the sale does end Monday. Anyway, that is it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.